good morning. This is me Anand back again with a new video. Finally I got this package delivered from Seagull, 385 FT kayak, and I'm so excited to unbox it. I paid $1,300 for this kayak, and let's see. I mean, there are 4 items as well. This is a pro package. Let's go unbox the kayak. Behind. I have this box placed already in the flat surface. Just trying to get the flat surface so that I can inflate it. So it's time to open the box and see what is inside. Yes. This looks like a bag. Okay, this is a carry bag. Keeping it here. This is a pump. Here. Skeg. And this is a instruction. This is a manual. Put it here. What is this repair kit? I got a repair kit. Okay. This is the main floor of the kayak. This is the floor, and this is yeah. I also want
this. Kind of the boat pedal.
Yeah, let's see what is inside this box. Okay, what is this? Okay. And this is the seat. So another paddle. We have 2 paddles. And this is a seat. And what else? This is another seat. And they look like a bag. Oh, carry the stuffs. Okay, this is the bill. It costs $1,300, and they have this printed manual, which is good. I'll keep the scissors there. This is the pressure indicator. So this is the ear cap. It goes here, and this is how we need to press and let it go like this. Set this up. Just trying to get the shape up. Setting up this for the first time is kind of like tricky. So having some hard time setting this up. I might need to I should have done this first actually. You know what? We need to do the floor first. Okay. I think this is fine. And idiot. What is that? 6? Is that 6.2? 3.2 psi. Okay. 0.3. So here is the strap. and this strap goes to this D-ring, and that's how it goes. Let me check. Wait. This one goes here.
And don't forget that we need to. How about this boat? Who will carry my boat?
Oh. So I'm going to